Hey there, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. These are the binoculars from the company Kissarex, Kissarex. And as with all my purchases, I buy this with my own money. Just like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what do they look like when they come in. I like that they are sealed in plastic. You don't have to worry about anybody having had them before or returning them. These are adult compact binoculars. Instruction manual. Packaging is really nice. Box is nice. Binoculars look nice. A nice soft cloth carrying case. A strap that is sewn on. A lens cloth. Another strap for the binoculars themselves, if you want to use that. Actually, let's take a look at that. Just a basic cloth strap. And then the binoculars themselves. They feel really nice in the hand. You've got these eyepieces that can be removed or left on depending on your preference. Twist out eye cups. And then you've got your focus ring on the right side. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that. Multi-coated lenses. 10x42 is the magnification that I bought. Field of view is 5.6 degrees. 87,000 meters. It does have the company logo on the binoculars. Anyway, let me fold these back down. That's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.